Well, I'm now joined by Annie Gavrilescu in Calais. She is the regional manager in France for the charity Help Refugees. Thank you very much for speaking to us. Can I start by getting your thoughts on this court order?
First of all, we really welcome the court decision today. We were not that hopeful when we heard that the authorities were appealing the initial decision of the tribunal in Lille. But we really welcome the fact that the need here, which is so great, has finally been recognized. The really deplorable sanitation conditions here have been finally recognized, and now the authorities have a duty to act.
Yeah, I was going to ask you about that because obviously the court has ruled that the treatment of migrants and refugees was unlawful. What can you tell us about conditions there?
Well, in terms of the health emergency that is currently happening in Calais right now, because people usually go on average 2 weeks without getting a shower, although some people can go for over 2 months without washing. There is no way for people to wash themselves or their clothes. No access to potable water except for the ones that the organizations provide. So we are seeing an outbreak of scabies because of the lack of sanitation measures. We are seeing trench foot, which is a disease that affected soldiers in the First World War. We are seeing chemical burns on people's bodies because they are so desperate to wash. They are using sort of a toxic water pooled in the area. It's really horrendous.
And what can you tell us about police violence against migrants in Calais?
As the Human Rights Watch report recently confirmed, we have actually been denouncing this happening for a long time now. There is a lot of intimidation, not just of refugees, but also of the volunteers and the organizations here. A lot of violence. We get reports almost daily from people telling us that they were woken up in the middle of the night by being pepper sprayed in the face. All of their possessions get pepper sprayed and destroyed and confiscated. As the court actually confirmed today, and Human Rights Watch as well, people's basic fundamental human rights are being infringed, and the way that they are being treated is inhumane and undignified.
Well, thank you very much for shedding some light on what's happening there for us. Annie Gavrilescu from Help Refugees.